I tested 5 different AI-powered budgeting methods over 5 months: zero-based budgeting, 50-30-20, pay yourself first, envelope method, and one Claude-designed custom system. One method consistently saved the most money and required the least willpower. Today I show you which one and exactly how to build it for free. Budgeting advice is everywhere. Most of it does not work for most people. I tested 5 methods over 5 months with identical income and expenses, tracked savings rate, ease of maintenance, and psychological stress. Today, the results ranked honestly, and how to build the winning method free. Method 1. Zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting: every dollar assigned to a category until income minus expenses equals zero. Built in Notion, using Claude, create a zero-based budget template where every dollar of my income is assigned to a named category before the month begins. Results: highest level of spending awareness of any method tested. Problem: required 30 to 40 minutes of active maintenance every week. Any month I missed the weekly review, the system collapsed within days. High willpower requirement, works well for detail-oriented disciplined people. Savings rate achieved, 11%. Method 2, 50-30-20. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Simple to understand, easy to remember, widely recommended. Built using Claude. Apply the 50-30-20 framework to my income of amount and show me exact dollar amounts for each category. Results: easiest method to set up and understand. Problem: the 30% wants category gave too much permission to spend freely. Savings rate achieved, 9%, below my 20% target. Method 3. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. Savings leave automatically on payday before you see them. Whatever remains is yours to spend completely freely. Setup using Claude. Tell me exactly how to implement a pay-yourself-first system. My income is amount, and savings goal is percentage. Results: psychologically the easiest method by a significant margin. No tracking required, no categories, no willpower for savings decisions. Savings rate achieved, 15%. Long-term sustainability, very high, almost zero ongoing maintenance required. Method 4. Envelope method. Envelope method: physical or digital envelopes for each spending category. When an envelope is empty, that category stops until next month. Built digitally in Notion using Claude for the structure. Results: highest spending control savings rate achieved, 13% when maintained. Long-term sustainability, low. Requires constant effort most people will not sustain. Method 5. AI custom system. Winner. I asked Claude to design a custom budget based on my specific psychology. Claude designed a 3-layer personalized system. Layer 1. Pay yourself first automation. Layer 2. Only 2 spending categories tracked. No subcategories. Reduces tracking burden by 80%. Layer 3. A 5-minute Sunday review. Only 2 questions. Results: savings rate 23%. Highest of all 5 methods. That is the genuine AI advantage. Build your own personalized version. Open Claude. Claude interviews you about your specific patterns and history, then builds a system designed around your psychology, not a generic template. Your winning system might look completely different from mine. That is the point. Claude builds it in 15 minutes, for free. All links in the description. Subscribe for daily videos.